A very good morning, students. So today we will be starting with chapter 14, fraction. So let's understand what is the fraction. Okay, suppose this is a circle. Okay, when you divide this circle into two, okay, so this will be 1 upon 2. Okay, because whole circle is being divided into half, and this will be also 1 upon 2. So what is fraction according to this? A fraction is a quantity that expresses a part of the whole. A part of the whole. Okay, so there was one complete whole circle, and if we will see this, so this is the part of the whole, and what it is, 1 by 2, because the circle is divided into 2 halves, and if it was divided into 3 halves, so it will be 1 by 3. If 4 half, then it will be 1 by 4. See, if I divide this circle into 4 halves, see, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Understood? So this is called fraction. So fraction consists of numerator and denominator. Clear? Let's see how many types of fractions are there. Types of fraction. First is the proper fraction. Proper. I hope you have understood. Fraction consists of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so first is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 4 by 5, 3 by 7, 101, 101 upon 235, and etc. Here you are seeing that the denominator is bigger than the numerator, so this is the proper fraction. Now let's see the another fraction, that is improper fraction. Now let's see improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Let's see. A fraction whose numerator is greater or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. Understood? Example 7 upon 5, 25 upon 12, etc. Understood? Now let's see the third one, that is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction consists of two parts. First is integer, second is proper fraction. And it will be written as, for example, 4 2 by 3. So this is an integer and this is your proper fraction. Clear? Now let's see fourth. This is like and unlike fraction. Okay, two or more fraction with same denominator but different numerators are called like fraction and two or more fractions with different denominator are called unlike fraction. Let's see an example. For example, like fraction, they are 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Clear? Here you are seeing that the denominator is same but the numerator is different. Now for the unlike fraction, 5 by 9, 7 by 8 and 3 by 4, etc. Understood? Here you are seeing that denominators are different. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now fifth is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. If two or more fraction have the same value, they are called equivalent fraction. Example, 1 by 3 equals to 3 by 9 equals to 6 by 18 equals to 9 by 27. Okay, so this is called equivalent fraction. So here the types of fraction are completed with equivalent fraction. Now let's see two important things. First is converting a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, or suppose 3 by 4 is given. So with denominator you are going to multiply the integral part and add the numerator. Understood? So this will be 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 4. So this is what? This is an improper fraction. You are seeing it. Improper fraction. Okay, we don't need to write actually, but for your convenient I am writing it. Okay, now let's see how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, for example, a improper fraction is given to you, 23 by 4. Now you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So we will just divide it. 4 5s are 20. Okay, how much is left? 3. So it will be written as, see, this is called the quotient. Here you're seeing it, quotient. So quotient will come first. I'm writing it, quotient upon quotient, remainder, quotient in an integral, then remainder upon the denominator. Okay, so this will be quotient 5 4 5, then remainder is there, so this will be 3 and the denominator is 4. Okay, so this is how we are converting the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Understood? Now let's see converting an improper fraction into like fraction. For example, 3 by 7 and 4 by 5 is there. So you just take LCM of 7 and 5, that will be 35. Okay, so it will be written as 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5. So what you will get? 15 upon 35. Okay, and 4 into 7 upon 5 into 7. So this will be 28 upon 35. So here you are seeing that this 2 has become the like fraction. Why? Because the denominator is same now. So I hope you have understood. Okay, students, just see this exercise 14a is simply based upon the explanation which I have taught you right now. Here you have to just see, for each expression given below, write a fraction. This is 2 out of 7. So how it will be written? 2 upon 7. Okay, Similarly, you can do this and this. Now here you have to tell that what is kind of fraction is this, what kind of fraction is this. Okay, here also, here you have to convert, here you have to tell me tell that what kind of fraction is this. Here you have to convert the mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, here you have to separate the proper fraction and the improper fraction. By the explanation you can easily do it. Now here also change the mixed fraction to a proper fraction. See, this is 2 in integral and 1 upon 5. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1, this will become 11 upon 5. Okay, similarly you can do rest of the thing. Now change the following fraction to a mixed fraction. Simply you will divide it. Okay, 100 then 17, just divide it and it will be written as quotient upon remainder and denominator. Okay, whatever, this is the quotient, okay, from which this number is being divided. Okay, so this you can do. And sixth also, here you have to separate the following groups to a like fraction. Change the following groups of fraction to a like fraction. Right now we have done, you just take the LCM of 3 5 4 6 and just simply multiply it. You have recently seen this. I have converted the improper fraction or this improper fraction into a like fraction, and similarly here also you can do it. These are the proper fraction, you are seeing it, but you have to convert them into a like fraction. So this is also can be done by taking the LCM. Okay,
welcome to everyone. This is exercise 14b. Today I'm going to teach you. So let us do the first question of this exercise. The question is saying reduce the given fraction to the lowest term. The first part is 8 upon 10. So students, this is a very simple kind of question. What you have to do, basically you have to reduce both of the number. Okay, we can reduce both the numbers, numerator and denominator, by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 4 upon 5. Clear? Next question. 50 upon 75. So you can reduce it by 5 also, or you can reduce directly from 25, because 25 2s are 50 and 25 3s are 75. So you can write 2 upon 3. Is it clear? 40 upon 120. What will be the answer? Reduce it to the lowest term. You can cancel 0 in numerator and denominator. You will get 4 upon 12. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Fifth, 105 upon 70. 105 upon 70, students. Now reduce it. You can reduce both of them by 5. Okay, 105 upon 70. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, and 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. 21 upon 14. Now again you can reduce it by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So 3 upon 2. This is the answer. Is it clear to everyone, or you are having any doubt?
Question 1 ka
So
last
students,
question.
in question number 2, what you have to do? You have to tell whether the statement is true or false. What you have to do? Just write 2 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 15 and do cross multiply. 2 into 15 is equal to 5 into 10. So check if you have get the same answer both of the side. The 2 into 15 is equal to 30 and 5 into 10 is 50. So 30 and 50 are not equal to each other. So you can say this statement is false. Now you have to check this, if this is correct or not, if this is true and false. So students, this is answer 3rd, 4th and 5th. 3rd and 4th I have solved for you. In question 3rd, 5 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 5. We have to check if they are equal to each other or not. So do cross multiply 5 into 5 and 4 into 4. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25. 4 into 4 is 16. So 25 is not equal to 16. That's why we will say that this statement is false. On the other hand, in question 4, also do the same thing and you will get the different answer both the side. It means that this statement is also false. Now question 5 you have to do and tell me the answer, students. Tell me if what you have to do, first change into improper. Okay, 9 upon 7 as it is, and 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 9 upon 7. Sorry, 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8 upon 7. So do cross multiply. 9 into 7 is equal to 8 into 7, 63, and 8 into 7, 56. Okay, so of course they are not equal to each other. So this is also a false statement. Clear, students? Question 3 on your screen. Which fraction is greater? What you have to do, students, you have to compare the given fraction in this question. Fine. So how are you going to do? You have to tell if 3 upon 5 is greater or 2 upon 3 is greater. So in order to compare the given fraction, what you have to do is you have to just do the cross multiply. So 3 into 3 and 5 into 2. Now do this. 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. So students, which is greater, 9 or 10? Of course 10 is greater.
10.
So we can say that between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 is greater, because here right hand side is greater. That is why the fraction which is at right hand side will be greater. Okay, how are you going to do this? Because the right hand side number is greater, that is why the fraction which is at the right hand side will be considered as a greater fraction. Clear, students? Do cross multiply. 5 into 4 and 9 into 3. 5 4s are 20 and 9 3s are 27, and 27 is greater. That is why 3 upon 4 is greater. So we will write 5 upon 9 is lesser and 3 upon 4 is greater. Clear, students? Clear or not? Third one.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, 11 upon 14 is greater or 26 upon 35? Which is greater between these two fractions? Do and tell me the answer. Waiting for your response. Do cross multiply. And after cross multiplying, what you have to do is you have to multiply 11 into 35 and 14 into 26. Okay, so 11 into 35 is what? 385, and 14 into 26, 364. So which is greater? This number is greater, 385 is greater. So we can say that 11 upon 14 is greater. Okay, 11 upon 14 is greater and 26 upon 35 is lesser. Clear, students?
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. Which fraction is
Yes,
smaller? So this is the same question. Just what you have to do, you have to do the same thing, but this time you have to tell that which fraction is smaller. So can you all do this? Now do the second, do the first part, 3 upon 8 or 4 upon 5. Which is smaller fraction? Tell me fast. Which is a smaller fraction, students? Okay, so you just do cross multiply. Okay, so 3 into 5 and 8 into 4. So 3 5s are 15 and 8 4s are 32. So which is lesser? Which is lesser? 15 is lesser than 32. So you will write that 3 upon 8 is lesser. So your answer will be 3 upon 8 is smaller. Write your answer like this. 3 upon 8 is basically in question number first, we have to compare the given fraction. What I have done, I have just found the LCM of 16, 24 and 8. So the LCM of 16, 24 and 8 is 48. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I have written the first fraction, which is 5 upon 16. Now what I have to do, I have to multiply such a number in 16 so that I can get 48 in the denominator. So by what number shall I multiply? Because 16 twos are 32 and 16 is a 48. That is why I'm multiplying by 3. So I have to multiply 3 in numerator also, and 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now write 3 upon 24. 3 upon 24 and multiply 24 by such a number so that you can get 48 in the denominator. So we can multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, because 42 twos are 40, I'm so sorry, 24 twos are 48, okay, and 3 twos are 6. In the same way, write the third fraction 7 upon 8 and multiply 8 by such a number so that you can get 48 in the denominator. 6, okay, 8 6 are 48 and 7 6 are 42. So students, you can, as you can see here, 15 upon 48, 6 upon 48 and 42 upon 48, all the fractions have same denominators. So we can say that these fractions are now like fractions. So basically you have to convert all the fractions into like fraction, then only you can arrange them in ascending or descending order. Okay, students, listen once more time very carefully. If you have to arrange the fraction in ascending order or in descending order, you have to do the same thing up to here, which I have done. Means you have to first find the LCM of the denominators, then you have to convert all the given fraction into like fraction. Now I have converted all the 3 given fraction into like fraction. Now I can arrange them in descending order very easily. Okay, so descending order means greater to smaller. So which numerator is greater? Which numerator is greater? 42 is greater. Okay, 15, 6 and 42. So 42 is greater. So we can say that 7 upon 8 is greater fraction. Greatest. Okay, so 7 upon 8 is greatest. Then 15 is smaller than 42. So we can say that 5 upon 16 should become in the next number. And then the smallest number is 6. So we will write 3 upon 24 in the at the end. Okay. So this order is descending order. Now match your answer. Everybody, check your answer if you have given the right answer or not. So you have to basically arrange these given fraction in descending order. What I have done, I have just found the LCM of the given denominators. So the LCM is 60 now. Now what you have to do, students, first write the first fraction, which was 4 upon 5, and multiply the denominator by such a number so that you can get the LCM in the denominator, which is 60. Okay, so by what number shall I multiply 5? We can multiply 5 by 12 because 12 5s are 60. So we have to multiply 12 in numerator also. 48. Okay, 48 upon 60. This is the first fraction. Now 7 upon 15. Your second fraction was 7 upon 15. So write 7 upon 15. And by what number shall I multiply in 15 to get 60? By 4, because 15 fours are 60. So 4 in numerator also. The 7 fours are 28. Fine. Now 11 upon 20. 11 upon 20. By what number shall I multiply 20 to get 60? Multiply by 3, and 11 threes are 33, and the fourth number, which is 3 upon 4. So multiply 4 by 15, because 4 15s are, 15 fours are is 60, and 15 threes are 45. So you have got all the fractions in which you are having same denominator. Okay, 48 upon 60, 28 upon 60, 33 upon 60, 45 upon 60. Fine, students. Now you can arrange them in descending order. Again, I'm explaining. Okay, students, this is question number 8. You have to do, basically, you have to use the equal sign or lesser or greater sign. By comparing these fractions, you will do your own. This question, already I have told you how to compare these fractions. Okay. So what I have done in this question, total number of bananas are 12, and number of bananas eaten is 5. So number of left bananas is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. So fraction of left bananas is equal to 7 upon 12. Okay, I hope this is clear. So this is all for today, and after this I will start the next chapter. This was the last exercise of this chapter 14. So thank you, everyone. Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you. How are you all? Students, today I'm going to start exercise 14C. Okay, because a lot of students were saying that, sir, exercise 14C is left. So yes, exercise 14C, D and E, 3 exercises are left. First, I will complete those exercises, then I will go for 18B. So exercise 14C, I'm going to start today. The name of the chapter is fraction. Question says, add the following fraction. First part, 1 whole 3 upon 4. 1 whole 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. We have to add these two following fractions. Okay. So students, 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8. Okay, we have to add, that is why we have to use the sign of plus. And I have changed this mixed fraction into improper. So now we will find the LCM of 4 and 8 because the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Basically the LCM is 8. So write 8 here. Now divide 8 by 4, you will get 2. So 7 into 2 plus divide 8 by 8, you will get 1. So 3 into 1. Okay. So 7 into 2 is what? 14, and 3 into 1 is 3 upon 8. Okay. Now 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 upon 8. Or you can change this mix into mixed fraction also. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 and 17 minus 16 is 1. So 2 whole 1 upon 8. This is the answer of the first part. 2 whole 1 upon 8. Now let us do the next question. And this question says the second part, 2 upon 5 and 2 whole 3 upon 16 and 7 upon 10. Okay, these 3 fractions we have to add. Yes. So 2 upon 5, write 2 upon 5 plus 2 whole 3 upon 16 plus 7 upon 10. Now students, change this mixed fraction into improper. So 2 upon 5 plus 16 to the 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 35 upon 16 plus 7 upon 10. Now find the LCM of 5, 16 and 10. Find the LCM of 5, 16 and 10. So what is the LCM? What is the LCM? 5 as it is, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 5 as it is, 2 5s are 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 5 1 5, and now 1 1 1. So the LCM 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. So the LCM is 80 now. Okay. So draw a line and write 80 here. Now what you have to do, divide 80 by 5. Okay. This 5. Okay. So divide 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So 16 you have got. Now 16 will be multiplied to this 2. Okay. So 16 into 2 we will write. Now again divide 80 by 16. So you will get 5. Now 5 will be multiplied to 35. Plus divide 80 by 10, you will get 8. So 8 will be multiplied to 7. Fine. So now 16 to the 32 plus 35 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 plus 7 8s are 56. Okay, upon 80. Now add all the numbers and tell me the answer. What is the answer? So your answer is 263 upon 80, or you can change this fraction into mixed fraction also, but also this answer is also correct. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now there is part 3 also, in which you have to add 1 whole 7 upon 8, 1 whole 1 upon 2, and 1 whole 3 upon 4. Do this question in your copy. Do in copy. Okay, part 3 you will have to do. Now part 4 says 3 whole 3 upon 4, 2 whole 1 upon 6, and 1 whole 6 upon 8. Okay, so we have to add 3 whole 3 upon 4 plus 2 whole 1 upon 6 plus 1 whole 6 upon 8. Change all the mixed fraction to improper. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 upon 4 plus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 6 plus 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14 upon 8. Now find the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 1 3 1, and now reduce by 3 to 1 1 1 you will get. Okay, so what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so the LCM is 24 now. Now divide 24 by this 4, so you will get 6. So 15 into 6 plus divide 24 to this 6, you will get 4. So 13 into 4 plus divide 24 by 8, you will get 3. So 14 into 3. Now multiply 15 into 6 and 13 into 4 into 14 into 3 and add them and write your answer. Okay, you will have to do the further question. In the same way, you are going to do the part 5, which says 2 whole 8 upon. Okay, this question is given in your book. So you just do this question on your own and tell me the answer. Maybe the question is not so first change the mixed fraction into improper. 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 11, 23. 23 upon 12 minus 13 upon 16. Beta, what is the LCM of 12 and 16? 2 4s are 8, 3, 2, again reduced by 2, you'll get 1 here, now reduced by 3, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So the LCM is 48. Now divide 48 by 12. So you will get 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. So you will get 4. So 23 will be multiplied by 4 minus, now divide 48 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48. So 3 you will get, so 13 will be multiplied by 3. Okay, now 23 into 4 is what? 92 minus 13 threes are 39 upon 48. Fine. Now what you will do? Just subtract 39 by 92. Okay, you'll get 12 minus 9, 3, and 8 minus 3, 5, 53. Okay, 53 upon 48. This is the answer. You have to do the the second part of question number 2. This question says 2 whole 3 upon 4 minus 1 whole 5 upon 6. I'm giving you the time. I'm giving you 5. Part 3. It says 2 whole 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14 minus 13 upon 21. This is the question. So first change this fraction because this is a mixed fraction. So 7 twos are 14 and 14 plus 5, 19. 19 upon 7, okay. Plus 3 upon 14 as it is, minus 13 upon 21, students. Okay, now take the LCM of 7, 14 and 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are. Okay, now reduce it by 2, the 1, 1 and 3. Again, reduce by 3, so you will get 1, 1 and 1. So 7 twos are what? 14, 14 threes are? 14 threes are 42. So the LCM is 42 now. Okay, LCM is 42. Now reduce 42 by 7. 6 you will get to 19 into 6. 6 plus 42 upon, reduce 42 by 14. You'll get 3, so 3 into 3 you will write, minus, reduce 42 by 21. You'll get 2, so 13 into 2. Now, students, 19 into 6 is what? 6 nines are 54, 4, 5 carry, 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 3 threes are 9, minus 13 twos are 26. Okay, students, upon 42. Now, add these two numbers and then subtract 26 from them. So 114 plus 9 is 123 minus 26 upon 42. So 123 minus 26 is what? Okay, students. So 97 upon 42. Is it the correct answer? So this is fifth part. This is the question. Always take 1 in the denominator if there is no number. And I have changed this mixed fraction into improper. Now take the LCM of 10 and 15. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Yes. So write 30. When you will divide 30 by 1, you will get 30. Okay, so this 30 will be multiplied to this 6. So 6 into 30 plus 10 3s are 30, so 3 will be multiplied by 3, and 15 2s are 30, so 23 will be multiplied by 2. Fine. Now 6 into 30 is 180 plus 9 minus 46 upon 30. Students, add these two numbers and then subtract 46 from them. So 180 plus 9 is 189 minus 46 upon 30. So 189 minus 46 is what? 341, 143 upon 30. This is your answer. You can change this into improper. So just reduce 143 by 30. You will get 34s are 120. So 4 whole, write 4 whole, 23 upon 30. This is the answer, or this is the answer. Okay, students. Students, how much time is left? So your exercise 14C is completed. Thank you. Okay, so we have to multiply the given fraction, and I was telling you that multiplication is simpler than addition and subtraction. Because, student, the reason is that in multiplication we don't have to take the LCM of the denominator. What we used to do in addition and subtraction, if the fractions were unlike, then we used to have LCM of the denominators if the fractions are unlike. But here in multiplication, there is not the case. There is not such case. We don't have to take the LCM in any situation. Fine. So now let us start the first question. First question, first part says simplify 3 upon 7 multiply 2 upon 5. What you have to do, just first check if you can reduce any number in cross. Can you reduce 3 by 5? No. Can you reduce 7 by 2? No. So we cannot reduce any number in cross. So just multiply. 3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So 6 upon 35. This is your answer. Okay. Second question. 4 upon 9 into 3 upon 5. Now you can see 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So this is what? 4 into 1 upon 3 into 5. So 4 upon 15. This is the answer. Next, 5 upon 12 multiply by 8. Okay, 5 upon 12 multiply by 8. So there is nothing in the denominator of 8. So we will take 1 here. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so finally 5 into 2 and 3 into 1 in the denominator. 5 2s are 10 and 3 1s are 3. Clear? Is it simple? Fourth part, 7 upon 6 multiply 3 upon 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 multiply by 1 and 2 multiply by 2 in the denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. 1 upon 4. Is it visible? Fifth, 3 whole 3 upon 8 multiply 3 whole 6 upon 7. ओके एक बार इस क्वेश्चन को बेटा बुक से मैच करो क्वेश्चन में इज देयर एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इन द क्वेश्चन नाउ 8 threes are first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper so 8 threes are 24 plus 3 27 so 27 upon 8 and 7 threes are 21 plus 6 27 upon 7 fine so can we reduce 27 and 7 no can we reduce 8 to 27 no so what if we have to do 27 into 27 and 8 into 7 so what will be the answer so the answer is 729 upon 56 okay next question simplify part 1 2 upon 3 divided by 1 whole 1 upon 5 so in this question we have to divide fine so 2 we will write 2 upon 3 then change this divide sign into multiply okay students अभी multiply नहीं करेंगे अभी divide का sign ही लगा रहने दो first we have to change this into improper the 5 and the 5 plus 1 6 upon 5 now 2 upon 3 then divide का sign को हम multiply में change करेंगे and when we will change the sign of divide into multiply we have to reciprocate this fraction reciprocate means न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना दो और डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर तो 5 upon 6 okay it was 6 upon 5 but we will write 5 upon 6 so 2 ones are 2 2 threes are 6 so 1 into 5 upon 3 into 3 so this is 5 upon 9 okay 2 4s are 8 8 plus 1 9 9 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 9 fine now what you have to do first write 9 upon 2 then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate the last fraction so it is 4 upon 9 but we'll write 9 upon 4 so 9 nines are 81 and 2 4s are 8 this is the answer okay third question 1 divided by 2 upon 5 now I want each and everyone to solve this question so 1 upon 1 then multiply and we will write it 5 upon 2 fine so 5 ones are 5 and 2 ones are 2 so the answer is 5 upon 2 fourth part 4 upon 9 divided by 9 upon 4 4 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 9 so write this 4 upon 9 multiply 9 upon 4 okay 9 ones are 9 9 9 cancel 4 4 cancel you will get 1 1 1 1 so 1 into 1 upon 1 into 1 is 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 is what 1 fifth 2 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 1 whole 3 upon 4 so first we will convert the mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 3 divided by 4 ones are 4 plus 3. 7. 7 upon 4. Now write the first fraction as it is. Then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate it. 3 upon 7. Okay, this is 4. I have written it 3. This is actually 4. So I'm writing it 4. And here also this is 4. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 7 cancel. You will get 1 into 4 upon 3 into 1. It is equal to 4 upon 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Next, question 3 says simplify part 1. 1 upon 4 of 2 whole 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Of means multiply. Whenever you are studying, whenever you are taking online classes, take a copy and a pen with you and keep writing whatever I am solving on the screen. Okay. So fifth, 2 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 7 of 1 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. This is the question. Of means, students, of means what? Multiply. So we'll write 2 whole 1 upon 4 divide 2 upon 7 multiply 1 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. Now change this mixed fraction to improper. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 9 upon 4. And then change this sign, divide sign into multiply and reciprocate this. 2 upon 7. Write 7 upon 2. Multiply. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. Now we have to check in cross if we can reduce anything. Yes. 4 4 cancel and 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, and 3 ones are 3. This 3 cancel. Finally 2 2 cancel. So what is left? Only 7. This is the answer. Okay. So question 4 part 1, 5 minus 8 upon 11, or I can write it like this, 8 upon 11. 8 upon 11 minus 3 whole 3 upon 11. Fine. So what I'm going to do is change this mixed fraction to improper and take 1 in the denominator of 5. So 5 upon 1 minus 8 upon 11 minus 11 threes are 33. 33 plus 3 36. 36 upon 11. Okay. Now what I will do next? 5 upon 1 minus, take the LCM of 11. 8 minus 36. Now students, what is 8 minus 36? Tell me. So we'll write it 5 upon 1 minus 28 upon 11. So it will be minus minus. This minus and this minus becomes plus. So 5 upon 1 plus 28 upon 11. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 11? What is the LCM of 1 and 11? 11. So 11 fives are plus 28 into 1. Fine. So what will be the answer? 11 5s are what? 55 plus 28 ones are 28 upon 11. 83 upon 11. This is the answer. Check this answer if this is. So we are left with 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Question 3. 2 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 6 whole 1 upon 2 plus 3 whole 3 upon 4. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve first whatever inside the bracket is. So we have to solve this portion first. But we can change all the mixed fraction into improper. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 divide 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 2 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, very good. Jatin, 7 upon 3 divided by, what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So when we'll divide 4 by 2, we'll get 2. So 13 into 2 plus 4 ones are 4, so 15 into 1. 7 upon 3 divide 13 into 2 is what? 26 plus 15 upon 4. Student, 7 upon 3 divided by, what is the sum of 26 and 15? 41. Okay, 41 upon 4. Now students, what I'm going to do is 7 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 41. अब ये मत कहना कि सर 4 upon 41 कहाँ से आ गया भाई. जब आप डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करोगे तो आप इसको रेसिप्रोकेट करोगे ना. 41 upon 4 को लिखोगे 4 upon 41. Isn't it? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया. ओके, देखो फिर से देखो, यहाँ से देखो. ठीक है, यहाँ से फर्स्ट एलसीएम लिया 2 and 4 का 4. ओके, नाउ 2 2 सा 4 2 आया तो 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 13 से. तो 13 into 2 लिख दिया है. प्लस 4 1 सा 4 1 आया, 1 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 15 into 1 लिख दिया है. नाउ 7 upon 3 डिवाइड. नहीं समझ आया तो बता रहे हैं ना, ध्यान से देखो अजीमा. 7 upon 3 divided by 13 into 2 is what? 13 2s are 26. Fine. And 15 ones are 15 upon 4. Now, what is the sum of 26 and 15? 41. 41 upon 4. Now, finally, यहाँ तक आपके समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay. So, what I have done, 41 upon 4. अभी क्या है, इस डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करोगे और जैसे ही डिवाइड का साइन मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज किया जाता है उसके नेक्स्ट वाला फ्रैक्शन रेसिप्रोकेट करना जरूरी होता है. तो आई हैव रिटन 4 upon 41 फाइनली. सो वी कैन नॉट रिड्यूस एनी नंबर इन क्रॉस, क्योंकि neither 7 can be reduced with 41 nor 3 can be reduced with 4. Okay, so 7 4s are and 3 into 41. Now tell me the answer. Now tell me the answer fast. 28 upon 123. Check this answer in the answer sheet. Bracket. Okay. So students, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 multiply 1 2 3, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 multiply 2 to 1, so 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now divide. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Tell me fast. 12. Okay, 12. So 4 3s are 12. 3 you will get 3 multiplied by 1 3, and not plus, it's minus. Sorry, it's minus. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be multiplied to 1. 2 ones are 2. Clear? So this is now 5 upon 6. Divide. This is 1 upon 12, students. Now what I have done, write 5 upon 6 as it is and change divide sign into multiply and reciprocate this. So this is 1 upon 12. You will write 12 upon 1. Okay, now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 5 into 2, 1 into 1 in denominator. So 5 twos are 10, 10 upon 1, which means 10. Okay, because upon में 1 नहीं लिखा जाता है. तो आपका जो फाइनल आंसर होगा वो 10 होगा. हाँ बेटा, मैंने पढ़ाया था, लेकिन अभी आपको फिर से रिवाइज करना है. ओके, shall I explain the second part or you will do in your copy? Shall I explain the second part? You want me to explain? Okay. So I'm gonna explain the second part also. We are left with 3 minutes. Let's try to solve this question within 3 minutes. Students, I hope कि आप रोज का काम रोज कर रहे होगे. देखो, अगर आपने वर्क डेली बेसिस पे नहीं किया तो यू आर गोइंग टू लेफ्ट विद लॉट ऑफ वर्क. आपको पता होगा कि आप के 10 मार्क्स जो हैं वो कॉपी के हैं अगर आपने वर्क किया है. और इससे पहले फर्स्ट यूटी का वर्क जिन्होंने भेज दिया था मुझे, फर्स्ट यूटी का जो वर्क था मैथ का या किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का, अगर आपने टीचर्स को भेज दिया है तो यू विल बी गिवन विद 10 मार्क्स. ओके, देखो 10 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर था. हर एग्जाम आपका 10 मार्क्स का था और 10 मार्क्स कॉपी के थे, तो टोटल 20 हो गए. तो अगर किसी ने एग्जाम दिया और उसने कॉपी वर्क सेंड नहीं किया तो वो 10 मार्क्स उसके डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. उसके रिस्पॉन्सिबल आप खुद होंगे. ओके, so that is why I'm saying that keep completing your work, do your work daily basis. Okay, on daily basis. So now 24 upon 35 divided by 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7, and then plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. So first write 24 upon 35, then change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate this fraction. Write 7 upon 6 plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. First we have to solve inside the bracket. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So what is left? 4 upon 5. Okay, this 4 and this 5, 4 upon 5. And 1 into 1 is not written, plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. Now take the LCM of 5 and 9. LCM of 5 and 9 is what? 45. So 5 9s are 45. 9 will be multiplied to 4. 36. And 9 5s are 45. 5 will be multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Multiply by 3 by 4. Now add 36 plus 25.